Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to hard reset your Fujifilm X-T20 camera. It's really quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. We're just going to turn it on, and we're going to hit the menu and scroll down to the wrench button. Go to user settings and then go down to the reset. And then we're going to scroll down to the setup reset, hit the OK button. And then once we hit the OK button, it will take us to a little confirmation screen, at which point we can confirm it, and it will do a reset on it. And then after that, we can do that. So we're going to go to that. We're going to hit OK. We can select the language. And then once we do that, we're going to actually go back to complete this total reset. We're going to go back into the menu, and we're going to go back down to the wrench. And we are going to do the reset, but we're also, in addition to user settings, reset, and in addition, we're also going to do the shooting menu reset. And then everything will be reset to its default settings. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.